Every day is a new opportunity to transform lives. And in dentistry, every detail matters. Imagine having in your hands the precision and reliability of high-quality rotary instruments designed to redefine the standard of excellence. With JOTA, every procedure becomes a masterpiece, impeccable aesthetic results, and the satisfaction of knowing that you are offering the very best. Our instruments, developed in the heart of Switzerland, reflect more than a century of innovation. In every step of the process, tradition and modernity come together, guided by Swiss precision and technology. Our engineers meticulously dedicate themselves to every detail, ensuring products that not only meet but exceed the highest standards of excellence. This dedication transforms innovation and tradition into a continuous promise of quality. What is the JOTA Experience? It is the journey of excellence that transforms your dental practice. It's the feeling of satisfaction every time you use a JOTA instrument and the confidence of knowing each one is designed to offer unmatched precision and durability. Discover how Swiss quality can transform your practice. Use a JOTA instrument today and embark on your journey toward excellence.